Samaarambam Nithyanandeshwari Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanidars, sitting with us all over the world through Nithyananda TV, Sadhana TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, sitting with us through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Singapore, Singapuram, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Kulim, Tiruttani, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Dakota Dunes, San Jose, Madurai, Nithyananda University, Paris, Philadelphia, Port Washington, New York, Hebal, Bangalore, Jorpati, Nepal, Ohio, Prayag, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Ohio, Ma Shivananda, Seattle, Chidambaram, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Amersfoort, Netherlands, Scottsdale, Houston, Kalahasti, Ravensburg, Germany. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I can see now Kathmandu, Nepal joining and Houston, Kalahasti. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Listen. Today I will expand on perpetual completion, one of the important dimensions of living Advaita. Please listen. Almost last 2 years, little less than 2 years, I am expanding on this one science of completion from various angles, through various ways, through various understandings. See, any science, only if you spend more and more time, energy into it, is expressed perfectly. See, I have experienced this science perfectly at the age of 12, but expressing it perfectly for all of you to live it, bringing perfection in the expression, so that all of you also can experience it. That is what I was doing in last 2 years. Continuously speaking on this one science, this one system. So please understand, continuously speaking on this one science and one system, today I wanted to expand on a different dimension of completion. The dimension of perpetual completion that happens, please understand, that happens by constantly completing not just with your root pattern, all the pain patterns. Please listen. Not just your root patterns, all the pain patterns. It means at least 48 times you should do samskara dahana kriya. See, there are some of the very powerful, strong spiritual practices in Hinduism, Vedic tradition. We are too fanatic about spiritual practices. I myself have seen sadhus keeping their one hand up, raised for years. Years means don't think 2, 3, 25, 30 years. 15 years standing on one leg. The leg on which they are standing, it has become literally like a pillar. But the power, the will is so much, it just surpasses the laws of physical world, rules and regulations of the body. It just surpasses, takes them beyond even the pains of hell and pains related to body. If you are too serious and sincere about spiritual practice, I am not asking you to keep your hands up for 20 years or stand on one leg for 25 years. No. Nothing of that is required. 48 days do samskara dahana kriya. It does not even need to be like a every day. You can do it 1 week and give 3-4 days break. Then again 1 week, again 2-3 days or few days break. But 48 days of samskara dahana kriya can solve thousands and thousands of pain patterns in you. Please understand. For all the residential ashramites, I used to insist on every night completion. Sitting and doing completion, sitting and doing completion, sitting and doing completion. But unfortunately, anything you need to do just with yourself, you don't do. When you start doing, you just drift away into some of your strong pains and fall asleep from that pain, not from the completion, and have nightmare. Next day morning, get up and fight with everyone. So understand, this is the direct instruction to the whole Sangha from Kalabhairava. Within next 3 months, every Tanedar, Kotari, Mahant, disciple should do 48 days samskara dahana kriya. Per day it won't take more than 2-3 hours in the initial level. Then after some time it may take only 20-30 minutes. Samskara dahana kriya as 4 layer. Please listen to the instruction. First, sitting and penning down all your pain patterns. Then reliving them in your inner space. Then reliving them using the mirror and sitting with somebody and sharing and listening, providing listening for them to complete. Understand the signs of completion. Understand the signs of completion is so powerful. It can just destroy so much of pain you carry, which you are not completing by everyday completion. Somehow this everyday completion, see, the everyday completion is like only for the elite, soft type of people who wants to do spiritual practice on their own and whose Shraddha is very high. But till you evolve to that level, you need a very grass practice. Samskara Dahana Kriya is the best. Where you yourself can understand whether you did it or not, and others also will understand whether you did it or not. Till the grass grows on the path you walk every day. Please understand, that is the signal. The ground on which you are walking every day, the grass should not die. Then you don't have pain body. If the grass is dying on the path you are walking, be very clear, still the heat of the pain is there in your body. Pain exists in you as a unique heat and vibes, unique vibration. The moment you put your foot in any place, even the grass does not grow in that place anymore. Till the grass starts growing in a place you walk. You should do Samskara Dahana Kriya. And I also wanted to update the Nirahara Samyama instruction. During the Nirahara Samyama time, whatever, how many number of days, if you level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, all the thing you put, it will come around 48 days, I think. Whatever number of days, you do whatever level of Nirahara Samyama, you should do Samskara Dahana Kriya every day. Samskara Dahana Kriya is one of the very important spiritual practice. Should be done including the Gurukul Balasans and Gurukul kids. From today, all the residential Kotaris, Tanedars, Mahants, Sri Mahants should spend every night, whatever time it may take. If it takes only 20 minutes for you, finish that and go. See, first few days only, when you sit and write, all the earliest pains, so much will come out. After 3-4 days, those pains will have no more place over you, power over you. Then whatever you remember, only those things. Whatever still is fresh, whatever is still hurting you, only those things pen down. So understand this Samskara Dahana Kriya is one of the very comprehensive completion process. When you just sit and relive, sometimes you miss some incidents, you miss the depth, you miss to catch the exact pain pattern. But the samskara dahana kriya is the most powerful process. This unique, powerful completion process as 4 steps. Start penning down your earliest memories of your life, all the pain patterns, pains you experienced in your life. Physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, psychological pain, all the pains, pen them down and relive them in your inner space and relieve at least 5 times. Then relive them and relieve them using the mirror. Then sit with another person, go on sharing, share at least 5 times. Listen at least 5 persons completion story. Please understand, this is the most perfect, comprehensive completion process. I wanted all the kotaris just pick up the bunch of this completion process, samskara dahana kriya, print out paper and pen, go and sit even in malls and conduct this samskara dahana kriya. Go and sit in libraries, malls, schools, colleges, everywhere, prisons, offices, wherever human beings are gathering, temples, churches, mosques, wherever human beings are gathering, go and sit. Be light unto yourself and to the humanity. I tell you, this samskara dahana kriya is such powerful completion. It relieves people from so much of pain. This is literally spreading peace around the world. Teaching samskara dahana kriya, making people do samskara dahana kriya is the most powerful way of spreading peace, working for global peace. Spreading peace, working for global peace. Understand? First 4-5 days when you do it, you may feel, oh, pain comes back. No. There is no such thing as coming back. It never left you. Anything leaves you once for all. Anything is coming back, it never left you. It was inside you hiding. You left it as a blind spot, unattended. Your auntie is hiding from behind the uncle. Uncle is hiding behind the grandfather. Grandfather is hiding behind the pillar. Pillar is hiding behind the post. Post is hiding behind the door. Door is hiding behind you. It is one hiding behind the other. Understand This samskara dahana kriya is the real way of spreading global peace, bringing peace to humanity. I want all the Kotaris, Tanidars, Mahants to start practicing, and the devotees, disciples, everyone, please start practicing from today. The 48 days of samskara dahana kriya, and along with practicing, go around wherever you can and teach this samskara dahana kriya continuously. This will relieve thousands of people from all types of pains, sufferings, diseases, psychological illness. All our healers, living Advaita process participants, inner awakening graduates, you should go around and conduct samskara dahana kriya process. If people are feeling shy to talk to each other, share their incompletions, let them sit with the mirror and talk to the mirror. But go on and on. At least 5 times. Talk to the mirror. Listen, samskara dahana kriya has 21 action. Penning down all the pains you went through in your life, the first action. Second, reliving 5 times in your inner space. Third, reliving using the mirror. Fourth, sharing with somebody 5 times. Fifth, listening to other person's incompletions, at least 5 members. So if you see, it will be 21 actions. From today I am initiating the whole Sangha into samskara dahana kriya marathon. And enrichathon. Enrich the whole world through this samskara dahana kriya. Please understand, so many pain patterns which you will not remember, which you will not catch it, which you will not smell, which are sitting inside you, you will catch it, you will smell it, you will recognize it, you will diagnose it only when you are sharing with others. Because while you are sharing, your awareness is naturally high, and there are tons of unsaid reasons, You should sit and go on sharing the pain patterns which are fresh in you, which are not letting you be active, alive, intelligent. I tell you, this is one of the most powerful instruction. Kalbhairava's blessing to the whole Sangha. 48 days of completion with pain patterns. 48 days of samskara dahana kriya. After completion, destroy the paper you wrote, in which you wrote all your pains, and burn them away. If you are nearby our temple, center, ashram, you can do Rudrahoma and burn those papers. Otherwise, just burn them safely and dispose them. Start with the earliest painful memories of your life and recall all the unpleasant incidents of your life. And pen down. Once you pen down, relive in your inner space and then relive using the mirror and then relive using the other person's eyes by sharing. Be a space of listening for other person to complete. You can add samskara dahana kriya in any program, whether it's a weight loss program or fitness program or nirahara samyama. If you are doing a fitness and weight loss program, add samskara dahana kriya on that topic. All the pains they had, unpleasant incidents they had in their life related to body. But actually when you write related to body, related to mind also will come. Let it come, it's okay. You can focus. You can focus. Other pains also will come. Let it come, no problem. If you focus the samskara dahana kriya on your guilt, I guarantee you will walk out of cancer. Before the end pregnancy program, the husband and wife, both of them should do samskara dahana kriya related to their own body and each other's body and lust pattern. Then they become a pure channel for enlightened being to land through them. Once a child is born, the mother should do samskara dahana kriya related to the pain she went through while carrying and delivering the child. That will heal the child completely. Otherwise, the pain of the mother gets stored in the biomemory of a child. Every night after the completion, samskara dahana kriya, burn those papers and go to malls, schools, colleges, temples. All the tanedars and kotaris should do this as part of Enrichatan. First, at least enrich 50 people to do samskara dahana kriya. Then you can enrich them for NDY and for inner awakening. You can do whatever you want. Enrich them. First for samskara dahana kriya. Just like nirahara samyama, this shine should be given free of cost. We should spread this science of completion to at least million people within this year. at least 1 million people should do 48-day samskara dahana kriya. The comprehensive instruction to do the samskara dahana kriya, we can send it to all the kotaris and tanedars through your email ID. Read, educate yourself. You yourself start doing from today for next 48 days. Literally your inner space should say, I don't have any more pain to complete. I don't have any more pain to complete should become one more pain. Till then do completion. You should feel, I have no pain to complete. It will never become pain, one more pain, don't worry. Till you feel that, go on doing samskara dahana kriya. Because even if you complete with your root pattern, if you have not completed with the pain patterns, they create silly pains in your life. Like silly sufferings. Stupid. Incompletions. They try to create. So the best way is 48 days of samskara dahana kriya. Understand? In inner awakening, just one day you do samskara dahana kriya. You know the effect and result. 48 days means literally like washing your inner space with completion. If you are fortunate enough to get the opportunity to meet with your teamily every day, how the residential ashramites get the opportunity, that's great. Every day you are developing more and more and more completion. With your teamily leading you to more and more Advaitic process, Advaitic experience. Understand? The pain of unfulfillment will leave your system if you do completion, samskara dahana kriya, for 48 days. The pain of unfulfillment. Understand? The pain of unfulfillment, which you carry in your life constantly, which started in your life the moment the root pattern started, that will melt down. The more and more beings you cause completion, the more and more you become complete. The more and more people you cause completion, the more and more you become complete. The more and more human beings you lead them to samskara dahana kriya, more and more of your samskaras get burnt. Literally this process When you enrich others, enriches you. After 10-15 days, the subtle pain patterns will start coming out, erupting out. Completion with all of them. Those subtle pain patterns, pain points, leads to deeper and deeper cleansing. And I tell you, 48 days of samskara dahana kriya will surely give you some siddhi, some miracle power. You will understand all your sufferings you accumulated very playfully. Playfully you started fighting with a cub. Suddenly it has become lion one day and you call that as suffering. But it never came without you inviting. It was you were playing with it very playfully because at that time it was cub. You never imagined when it becomes lion, it is going to be painful for you. All your sufferings, you are playing with them as cub, saying, "Oh, cute, so cute. See this fellow's teeth, he's trying to bite me. See this fellow's tail." Even if he runs away, you dragged him to your lap and playing, teasing, literally opening his mouth and putting your finger in his mouth. When he became lion, he tries to do the same. You are shaken. Look into all your problems, everything you dragged. Of course, when you dragged, when you wanted to play, it was a cub, it was a play, cute, entertainment, time pass. Now, because you are not able to handle, it becomes pain. I tell you, one, you are responsible. Second, you can handle now. Even if you can't handle, you know how to get rid. When you complete with all the powerlessness, the reasons for powerlessness, when you complete with every step powerlessness, when you complete with every point powerlessness, every samskara, every pattern, every point, every step, every dimension of your life, when you complete, the new personality grows in you, new being grows in you. If you think you don't have time for the samskara dahana kriya, that is one more pain pattern. Sit and pen down when you started creating that pain pattern and complete. Your tiredness is a pain pattern. Boredom is a pain pattern. Being non-focused is a pain pattern. Getting irritated is from pain pattern. Anything which you have other than samadhi is pain pattern. Anything which you have other than samadhi is pain pattern. Sit and complete, complete, complete. The whole Sangha should do completion with pain patterns, samskara dahana kriya, and should enrich the world to do completion, samskara dahana kriya. Please understand, this will be the most powerful, interesting, directly result giving, enriching you will do to the world. If you make 10 persons to do completion, most of your karmas will be burnt away, because you are reducing so much of pain, suffering, karma load. Immediately Mahadeva blesses you. You are doing his job. Now you are franchisee of his responsibility. Understand? All the Tanidars, Kotaris, Mahans, if you feel you have some pains or world has some pains, please do this. Whoever believes they have pain and world has pain, do this samskara dahana kriya for next 48 days. Enrich, teach. I tell you, there are millions of people who are suffering, waiting for some solution. They will listen to you. They will listen to you. You can complete with them. You can complete with you. You can complete with them. You can help them to complete with you. You can help them to complete with the world. Samskara dahana kriya is a one comprehensive process. Completes your root pattern, branch pattern, leaf pattern, fruit pattern. From your root pattern to fruit pattern, all patterns are completed. Samskara dahana kriya is such powerful process. From your root pattern to fruit pattern, all patterns are completed. Whoever wants to spread peace in the world, do good to the world, remove the sufferings of humanity, do samskara dahana kriya and spread the signs of samskara dahana kriya. Samskara dahana kriya is the most powerful homa you will perform for purification. That's the most powerful Viraja homa you can do. Viraja homa means homa for purification. The 48th day, you achieve the space of Viraja, pure inner space. Actually, if you start today, the 45th day comes as Vijayadashami. Maybe the last 3 days you can do twice, morning and evening. And Vijayadashami day we can conclude. Even in between few days, if you want, you can do morning and evening and take few days break. So keep it this way, at least 48 times you should have done. Before Vijayadashami, let all Tanidas, Mahans, Kotaris, Balasans take the Sangalpa, you will do 48 times Samskara Dahana Kriya. 2-3 times, sometime due to boredom or some reason you may do it like a ritual. It is okay. But 40 times you will do it intensely. 8 times maybe maximum you will do it as a ritual. That is okay. But 40 times you will do it intensely, with authenticity. Like how when the kids enter the Gurukul, first few days they will do it like a ritual. The Guru Puja or the completion, all that. But in 10 days or a month, you know, the sincerity catches up. The sincerity becomes their bone structure. I wanted all the Balasans to teach the science of completion, completing with the pain samskaras to your teamili. I wanted each Gurukul kid to develop a teamili with the 21 kids from among the Bala Vidyalaya kids from all over the world. I'll provide the internet connection with web camera to all the Gurukul kids. You choose 21 kids all over the world. Among our Bala Vidyalaya kids or youth club, teen kids, make your teamili. I want kids also to start doing living Advaita process. And start doing completion. Samskara Dahana Kriya completion can be done even through two-way video conferencing or the Skype call. But you have to see each other's face. Only then it becomes effective. So every day till Vijayadashami, we will all be doing the Samskara Dahana Kriya. We should all be doing the Samskara Dahana Kriya. So that peace is spread all over the world. We become more and more peaceful, more and more blissful, more and more spiritual, more and more energetic, more and more joyful. Let us celebrate this Navaratri by completing with all our pain patterns. All our pain patterns are the Rakta Bija Asura. Rakta Bija Asura means that demons, even one drop blood, when it falls on the floor, ground, it becomes one more demon. See, even one small cut on your root pattern, it becomes one more pain pattern. Let us complete. The completion process is the skull of the Kali, Brahma Kapala in Kali's hand, which drinks all the blood of Rakta Bijasura and stops Rakta Bijasura multiplying. This Samskara Dahana Kriya is the Brahma Kapala, which swallows all your pain patterns and stops the multiplying of all your pain patterns. Samskara Dahana Kriya means burning all your pain patterns, which is the root of suffering in your life. I want all of you to take the oath to live and spread the signs of completion, samskara dahana kriya. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nithyananda. Thank you.
Nithyananda Dhyanapitham, Nithyananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nithyananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.